Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am so happy that you could make it for another week, another travel to Jamaica based video, and another time for us to interact. Like, this is just making me so happy, like you don't even understand. Every time I see my subscribe count going up, my heart warms. We have another travel related video for you, and we're just gonna get straight into it. So I see that you're still watching. We're going to be talking about what tourists wish they knew before traveling to Jamaica, because I've seen so many questions being asked around travel to Jamaica and when you're there, what to do, if things are safe. So I'm just going to give you the rundown, and all your questions, well, most of your questions, well, the frequently asked questions will be answered to the best of my ability. Or if you have any more queries and want to find out how to or what to or where to, just drop it in the comments and I will answer it, or make another video on it, who knows. First thing I want to say is that medical insurance is a thing. As much as, you know, persons don't complain that anything happens to them when they're in Jamaica, you just want to be sure, because anything can happen at any point in time. Like, look at this panini, right? We have never thought of the world to be turned on their head because of one pan. Yeah. So you just want to make sure you want to put all the stocks in place, all the precautions in place, just in case, right? So the second thing to note is that you are now in Jamaican time, but when you reach Jamaica, you're on Jamaica time. That means yeah, we take our own sweet time for everything, we're late for everything, and yeah, we just make sure that we are proving the saying Ironman right. Like, you don't even understand. I realized that I am a on-time person, but everybody else isn't. So if you think that you're gonna get to something at 2 and it's gonna start at 2, you have another guest coming, because that's not the case. If you get there at 2, expect for something to start at 2:33, 3:45, because we just get there when we get there, and we are dubbed Jamaican time holders. So buster that extra time in travel time, excursion time, wait time, all those extra time, buster it in because yeah, you're gonna be waiting a little bit, just saying. And talking about travel in Jamaica is expensive, and I mean transportation, unless you have booked this with a tour guide or excursion guides on the hotel compound. Travel in Jamaica is expensive, especially when you're a tourist. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, they will probably charge you an arm and a leg to reach from one place to the next, but I mean, you're in Jamaica, so might as well just spend. No, yeah, want to save your money. If you have extra money, you can put it back into your account when you go back to your country of residence, or you can just foster it into another activity or additional activity that you didn't think that you had money for, but since you decided to save on travel, then you can enjoy an extra activity, right? So keep in mind that transportation is kind of expensive, especially if you're going from, like, say, Montego Bay to the other side of Jamaica, which is like a Portland or St. Thomas. So yeah, the important thing that I always say every single time I come on the video is to try the street food, try the local cuisine. My goodness, we build every meal with love. Like, you don't even understand. I'm not bragging, but the spices, the herbs, and everything in between, we cook every meal with love, and I'm just like, chef's kiss. So make sure you try the local cuisine. Make sure you try ackee and sawfish. Make sure you try yam and dumpling, banana, dasheen, cassava, Jamaican patties, Devon House ice cream. I'm just Jesus knows. Jesus knows. I am salivating just thinking about it. But yes, you have to try all of that good stuff. Make sure you try anything, everything, all things. just try it. Can't say I didn't tell you guys. Alright. I know a big question is if Jamaica is safe. Jamaica is safe, people. Jamaica is safe. We are a prideful country. We are a happy people, and we don't want you to go back to your country saying, oh, you got robbed. We're not going to rob you. Tourists, if you look like a tourist, we're not going to rob you. You are safe and sound. If anything, we are going to protect you, because the tourism sector is the most income driving sector. So we have to protect it. We have to protect you guys. We love you to come back and tell your friend and tell your auntie and tell your sister's cousin's dog about Jamaica and how you had an amazing time. So you know it done safe. But be cautious, people. I'm not going to tell you that we are all that on a bag of side chips and you can leave your Airbnb open. Make sure that you are cautious. Do not take any Airbnbs or any excursions or any drives into known places that are violent. With every single country, you have places that are just extra violent than others, or extra dangerous than other places. Being realistic and being truthful to you guys, you just want to ensure that you don't take those routes and just stay away. There's so much in the island to enjoy. There's so many places to visit, and there's so many places to stay. So just yeah, you don't have to go home and tell people that you went there. Like, it don't make no sense. Just stay away from those places. The hurricane season, people, let me tell you, we finally get some kind of good news regarding the COVID protocol, and we finally get extra hours lessened from our curfew and all that good stuff. And we hear say category 1 hurricane is coming to Jamaica. No, let me tell you, the hurricane season is from June 1 to November 30th. So keep in mind when traveling at that point, where you'll see that some days you'll be rainy and then some days will be sunny. But yeah, keep in mind that when you're coming to Jamaica, especially during these times, and keep in mind the weather. If it says that it's 70% of rainfall, do not say that God will provide because you're on vacation. Do not say that. Keep in your Airbnb or in your hotel or at your auntie's friend's house, because you don't want to go out there and it start raining and then it mash up your whole activity or it mash up your whole day. So if the people say on the weather forecast that a hurricane is coming to the Caribbean, listen to them and plan your trip around that. Avoid the hurricane season times where it is known to have a hurricane. Don't say, oh, because you're on vacay, the universe knows that and it's going to U-turn and go to somewhere else. No. Wishing that does not happen this year, because we've been through so much. So let me tell you that it's hot. It is hot. It's hot, like different level hot in Jamaica. As much as the tropical climate and beaches and rivers and everything is great, it is hot. So dress for the climate. That is all I'm going to say. Dress for the climate. Not dress naked. We're not a naked country, but we are a skimpy, tank top, bikini, shorts, slippers country all the time. We don't have winter at all. Also, I see where people love the whole beaches and tourist attractions, Duns River Falls, Chocolate Caribbean, and those places. Also, ensure that you book something, get a tour guide or somebody that knows that there is some nightlife. Go to a party, go to a street dance, go to a dance hall fete. Listen, that slaps like no other. I mean, I see where hotels are offering that more, where they have nightlife parties and stuff, themed parties, soca fets and dancehall fets, and you know, those kind of things. But go to one of them in some community dance hall fet, and yes, all right, there's nothing like it. And when we start dancing Jamaican in our groups and we have dance hall, dance offs, and it's nothing like it. Like, it's nothing like it. If you have never experienced Jamaican nightlife, you are living on a rock. All right, if you've never been to a Jamaican party, you are missing out. And I suggest you guys go find one. Like, when you come to Jamaica, go find one. Like, seriously. So the last thing I want to say, and I say it every single time I come on this video, is to convert your money to Jamaican dollars. When you have Jamaican money, chances are the people will take it over the US dollars. Some persons do not accept US dollars. So once you just change that one time and use it, you can say, okay, I have Jamaican currency, this is what I'm going to use it for, and I'm going to do a video on Jamaican currency breakdown, so you don't have to worry about that. You can get the most for your buck. All right. I think that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any additional queries or any comments, just put them in the comment section, because I love to see them. I love to see the conversation, and I love to interact with you guys. So just continue doing the comments, guys. Continue supporting this channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave you, so I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, great year. It does not matter as long as it's great. So guys, see you next time. Bye.